Hi, I'm Amy Barrett Daffin, publisher at C&T Publishing, and today I am so excited to show you a fabulous new product we have. It's the Foolproof Color Wheel Set by Katie Fowler, and what it does is it helps you have color harmony every time. So let's get to it. I'm opening this up for the first time. So what you have inside the package are an 8-inch color wheel, and then it's got with 12 colors, and then it has tints, tones, and shades. And there are the 10 die-cut color combination discs, and when you see what they do, it's magic. So here's our color wheel, 12 colors, and then in this cool little sleeve are these circles that come out, and these are all die-cut circles, and you'll see there's a rivet here in the middle, and that rivet holds the circle in place. So I'm going to start with the first circle, and this is the complementary disc, and you set it on here and you can spin it around, and what it does is it shows you perfect color harmony every time for complementary. And like I said, there's 10 discs, so you can see each disc has a different color family. So the next disc, and you can see there's a handy key, so disc 1, disc 1. So then this is disc 2, and this is triadic. And triadic is one of my favorites because I love combining lots of color. And as you spin the disc, you see what the next set of triadic colors are. And it's just that easy. So I'm not going to show you all the discs today, even though I want to. But what I want to show you is, so here you have Analogous, and so you can see all the colors that go together as in the Analogous family, which are any 3 colors. So there's a brief description about what each of the color wheels does, and then you can just use these to play around and find your harmonious color every time. And this one right here, let's see, what did I put on? This is split complement. And that is a color, and the 2 colors neighboring that color's direct complement. So this is a fantastic color wheel for anyone who wants to gain color confidence and is just starting out. It is a foolproof method, like the name says. And Katie Fowler developed this, and we were lucky enough that she brought it to C&T Publishing so we could add it to our line of color products. We will be making more videos using it as time goes by. And just because I can't not show you, I'm going to show you the one more, and this is color tetrad. And it's the equal space between 4 colors on the color wheel. So that's all I'm going to show you for now, and then when you're all done, all you need to do is gather up all your color wheels and slide them back into the convenient carrying case. And I would hang on to this piece of cardboard so that you can just slide it back on and close up your package and keep it intact. So once again, it's the Foolproof Color Wheel Set by Katie Fowler, and it helps you have perfect harmonious color every time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to C&T Publishing's YouTube channel, and I hope you have a colorific day. Thank you.